Check, check, check. 1, 3. People, I'm here again with an epic video for the world to see what is happening into the world. Hey, go outside right now, guys. Go outside. The comet is coming. Hey, this is the king. Now, I see. Now I am looking at these young artists that sing the rap song going viral. Bro, they have to draw back for those rap songs just to even try to pass Vybz Cartel level. Guys, this is the king. The king is back. The comet, bro. He name it nothing else more than the comet, bro. Hit the world like this. Like, yo, Chado. Hey, like, for all the guys that like saying, you know, they bad mind Vybz Cartel, bro, just stop it. You understand? Because the comet hit you right here in your head side. You understand? All the people criticize the world boss right now. He's free. What y'all gonna do? Hey, I want Gaza boss. Y'all check out that previous video, what I do with Liquor Addy. Banknote tough. No, this is his father, bro. The king. I want Gaza. If you're not a Gaza fans right now, you better be. Because the comment is gonna be right here in your head side if you don't be a Gaza fans, bro. Hey, this song, like, guys keep sending me this song and say, yo, bro, check out this song. And I know Vybz Cartel is going to go hard in this one, guys. No cap. But before we get right into it, people, please subscribe right now. Thank you for the subscribe. Y'all want to hear Vybz Cartel music over on this channel, One Code Music. Y'all go over there and subscribe also. Let's get right into the comment right now because it already land, you know. It already land, guys, on Earth. One Gaza. Trouble. That's the comment, bro. He's gonna go hard. I know.
See yourself, sus.
Alright, he used like some back in the days rhythm, like when they read that on music and then the jive they keep calm. He can't tell my boy the shine storm. You know that rhythm? Tun, tun, tun. Yeah, bro. Stop. Smart, bro. Smart.
Slice up to the time. Hey, little lady.
And he even, yo, guys, he even sound happy, bro.
The teacher. Yo. I in a prison, me I make millions, me a talk about US dollar nigga. How about a big sound, washy fever? It's a gold and it's a silver. Me fuck your mother through the prison grill. Me fuck your girl through the prison window. Wet up the pussy with me go finger. Then me dig it out hard with the timber. Forget Addy in your city that a couple million. US dollar.
Forget Addy in your city that a couple million. No cap, guys. No cap. You understand? To get Addy right here, bro. Oh, you understand? It's a couple milli. Y'all know the milli, right? And millions, dog.
It cannot fit in your belly. The DJ them will never want people see me. Pussy wall who never want the judge to free. But from a touch the microphone, you get if you can see me. Who no career cut short like Nicki Minnie.
See it there, bro. See it there. Their career cut short, bro. So they have to go back to some chop. And you understand? Because chop music was running the place, bro. Now Vybz Cartel free and start to run the place. Yo, excuse, the comet is here.
Like my daughter, come here pretty. Had the original, the rest of them are in it. Prison did that, but out I road it heat worse. Me have me one opinion, I no need yours. The internet a cost me about, me fi feature. Some of them a say them and some a set a t-shirt. Let go me t-shirt.
Yo, this guy is not a failure, bro. Like, I know he's going to go hard. Guys, go hard on my subscribe right now. Thank you very much, okay? Yes, and do share this video and like this video. Y'all want to hear this comment? Y'all want to hear this comment music? Go over on One Code right now. You understand? See Vybz Cartel and fresh. Yes. Ear by Lex. Check out her. You understand? And drop a tip when you reach. Fresh ear cuts. Ear designed by Lex. One Gaza now. Oh.
Remember say ya one burn a me turn.
Yo, he's not easy now, bro. Like, Vybz Cartel is the king, bro. Like, yo, You know, people on the internet is bashing him, saying why he leave that girl. You understand? Y'all know his ex-girlfriend or wife, whatever. No, see them. Do not see them right now. You understand? He even make it clearly, because there was a rumors running around when like Sidem was jealous and alive. You understand, guys? No, he made it clear. He's a one burner, bro. Like, he's saying everything in this song. Come in.
Let go her and keep her. Yeah, controversy start from the teacher return. That the comment is coming. That the comment is coming. That the comment is coming.
Hey, this stuff like two no cap. If you do not like this, bro, get out. Get out of the world, bro. Lift up. You understand?
Ready? I'll in a prison, me I make millions, me a job, US dollar nigga. How about a big song, watch it fever. It's any gold and it's any silver. Me fuck your mother through the prison grill. Me fuck your girl through the prison window.
Bro, everything he say is no cap, guys. Y'all want to hear the full music, go over on his page right now and listen to the comment. Everything he say is no cap, bro. Like, people been like, bro, as he dropped the preview, bro, people saying, oh, I don't like this song, I need the first Vybz Kartel. Like, bro, you're capping. Like Gaza, like Vybz Kartel, he dropped a lot of hits, bro. Like, y'all don't remember that? You think his first song going to be, hey, I'm tell you, oh, he go, oh, abo. No, bro, he's going to say back everything, bro, like what happening on the internet, because he make a big scene on the internet. He's taking over the internet as well, guys. You understand? Chat, let me know what you think. Vybz Kartel taking over the internet, so that's what he's sing about, bro. And he's so happy, bro. You can see. And he's catching on as well, you understand? Yes, one Gaza boss.
The pussy with me middle finger. Then me dig it out hard with the timber. Forget a dick in your city, that's a couple milli. US dollars and it cannot fit in your belly. The DJ them will never want people see me. Pussy wall who never want the just free. But from a touch the microphone you get if you can see me. Who no career cut short like Nicki Minnie. You even grit.
He don't left out nothing, bro. That's facts, bro. Like, you know you're the toughest thing on earth, bro. A lot of these young artists, they want him to fail, you understand? As in, you know, to die in jail. You understand? For them to take over. You understand? So they don't happy that Vybz Kartel is out, bro. Trust me.
I'm a daughter, come here pretty pretty. Hadi the original, the rest of them are in it. That the comment is coming. That the comment is coming.
One guy that know. Hey, go listen this music over on One Code Music channel, guys, on YouTube. You understand? I'm a DJ also, guys. Code in Town, part 2. You understand? There's a part 1. Go check it out, guys. Listening, you understand? If you're not listening, dancer, listening now. Mind you get a comment. You understand? Gaza. Trouble.
Ready?
Rhythm tough, bro. Rhythm tough. Full on your night. He job back for it. Yo, smart, bro. Smart. This is the first one. There's more comment about you think a joke. Ask God. I tell you now. People, y'all reach the end of the video. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of my subscribers and all of the people that like the video. And share the video as well. You understand? Yes, one Gaza no I can. 3 people. Enough here. The comment is here, bro. The comment is here. I give this song 10 out of 10. No cap. 20 out of 20. 100 out of 100. Yeah. Go run it up right now. Go run it up, guys. Run up this video as well. Subscribe now. Please. Comment. Oh. Yeah. You don't want to comment. Guys. I'm out.